Welcome to the world of matcha, Japan's vibrant green gold. This ancient superfood is more than just a drink. It is a wellness ritual that has stood the test of time. Today, we dive into its secrets and recipes. Unlike regular green tea, with matcha, you consume the entire tea leaf, packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins. These compounds protect your heart and liver. But the real magic lies in l-theanine, which provides a calm energy boost. Forget the coffee crash. Matcha offers focused energy without the jitters. It's the perfect fuel for your mind and body. Let's start with a traditional ceremonial matcha. First, sift your powder to ensure a smooth, lump-free texture for whisking. Add hot water, but not boiling. Boiling water burns the leaves. Use a bamboo whisk in a zigzag motion. Whisk until a thick, beautiful froth forms. This traditional method honors the tea's heritage and unlocks its full flavor. Now, for a modern matcha latte. Layer concentrated matcha over creamy, frothed plant-based milk and ice. Add a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. It's an aesthetic and delicious way to enjoy your daily dose of wellness. Finally, the matcha protein smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, and protein powder with a teaspoon of matcha for a quick breakfast. This nutrient-dense powerhouse will keep you satisfied and energized for hours. It is health in a glass. Whether you prefer tradition or a modern twist, matcha is a gift to your health. Try these recipes and feel the difference. Don't forget to sift, whisk, and enjoy every sip. Subscribe for more wellness rituals and healthy recipes. Happy brewing!